Look at this dude. Do you want the flower, lizard? Hey, fat lizard. You want this? Or are you too fat to take it? Oh, there's two lizards. Take it. Doing push-ups at me? Is that a threat? What'd you just call me? I'm offering you a flower. Look, I just threw it to you. Do you want it or not? Yeah, I saw you just glance at it. Yeah, take it. Yeah. Yeah. Take it. It's right there. Just gonna stare at me or you gonna take it? So now you're giving me sass. Oh, I see how it is. Oh, okay. I see how it is. You're too cool for flowers. I see.